How to fix a zipper in places like a pocket. Here are some tips for fixing a separated or stuck zipper on a pocket. Realign the zipper teeth if they have come out of alignment. Use pliers or tweezers to carefully match up the zipper teeth again so the two sides interlock. If the zipper pull tab has come detached, reattach it by pinching the ends together with pliers and sliding the tab back over the zipper head. You can also sew the tab back on with sturdy thread. If the zipper teeth won't stay closed, try using a pair of pliers to gently squeeze the teeth together again. Run the pliers along the length to realign all the teeth. Apply a thin layer of clear nail polish, super glue, or Fray Check on both sides of the zipper teeth to help them stay interlocked. Let dry completely. Replace a damaged or broken zipper. Unpick the old zipper stitches, remove it, and sew in a new zipper of the same size using a zipper foot on your sewing machine. Lubricate the zipper teeth if stiff by rubbing the edge of a graphite pencil lead or candlebacks along the teeth. This helps the glide easily. Tighten loose stitches securing the zipper on one side by hand sewing or machine stitching for a tighter hold. Add a new zipper stop at the base if missing. Use pliers to clamp a new stop in place or sew bar tacks to prevent sliding. With some basic supplies and hand to work, you can get your pocket zipper working smoothly again.